Welcome back to the channel, everyone. My name is Lamia, and if you're new here, I cover all things crypto, trends, news, insights, and tutorials to keep you ahead of the curve. Today we're diving into why the bull market might be closer than most people think. While everyone is caught up in fear and doubts, there are key signs that the market is gearing up for a major rally, and this is exactly when the big players make their move. I'll break down why I believe the next bull run is setting up right now and what you need to know to take advantage of it. So stick around until the end because this is one of the videos you don't want to miss. So let's get into why I believe the bull market is just around the corner. First thing first, the market never moves in straight line. There are always ups and downs, and the smart money knows exactly how to play this game. Right now, while most people are panicking and expecting the worst, those in the know are quietly accumulating, waiting for the right moment to strike. One major reason why I think the next bull run is setting up is the historical pattern we've seen time and time again. Every major bull market begins with the slow, sometimes even boring period where price moves sideways or slightly down. But this is where we start to see the first signs of accumulation and bottoming out. This is often followed by explosive price movement that leave everyone on the sidelines saying, I wish I had bought at the bottom. We're already seeing some of these signs right now. For example, Bitcoin is flashing a rare golden cross, a historically bullish sign that's never happened before. And while these patterns don't guarantee anything, they're significant enough to pay attention to. On top of that, we have upcoming interest rate cuts that could spike renewed interest in riskier assets like crypto, giving the market the fuel it needs to start the next upward phase. But before we dive deeper, if you find value in this video, please take a second to smash that like button, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Thank you for your support. Now let's get back into it. As I was saying, the microeconomic environment is shaping up to be key catalyst for the next bull run. Lower interest rates typically lead investors to seek higher returns in assets like crypto, and we are on the brink of seeing that shift. Not only that, but we've got a lineup of major crypto conferences this quarter where projects often drop big announcements and news that can drive hype and price action. And let's not forget about altcoins. Many are skeptical about whether they'll pump with Bitcoin or lag behind it. But historically, some of the biggest altcoin gains have came after Bitcoin initial move, with additional factors that are playing this time, like the massive FTX repayments hitting the market in Q4. There's reasons to believe this could be an even bigger opportunity for alts than in previous cycles. So what does all this mean for you? It means that while everyone else is waiting on the sideline or fearing the worst, this could be your moment to start positioning yourself smartly for the next big move. Keep an eye on the market, do your research, and don't let the noise distract you from the bigger picture. Thank you so much for watching, and if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe for more insights just like this one, and see you in the next one.